Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and I wanted to give you an update on what happens to your Note 8, or for that matter, an S8, S7, or any product that's using the Dome Glass Screen Protector if it would survive a drop. And I wanted to share with you my experience of a recent drop and how and if my Note 8 survived. Let's go ahead and check it out. So I'm the type of person that rarely, if ever, drops their phone. But there's an exception. So last night I was with my youngest, taking him driving, and we were trying to make sure that we were parked between the two yellow lines in a parking lot. And I leaned out of the car, and I had my Note 8 in my North Face jacket in the top pocket, and it took a dive. And the dive hit in the sweet spot. It actually hit up here in the corner, and that's the corner where if your phone falls, if you have an S7, S8, or Note 8, and you hit the corners hard, it tends to shatter your phone. You get a spatter shatter coming out this way, or you get your side shatter. So the question is, did the Dome Glass Screen Protector take the impact, and did it protect my phone? I don't know this yet, so I'm actually recording this live. You're going to see what's going to happen. I'm going to post this. I don't know what damage there is underneath the screen, if there is any. But I wanted to show you why I'm an advocate and always tell friends and family and all of you on YouTube that you should have a glass screen protector. Let's take a closer look. So here's my Note 8, and you'll notice up here that I have the separation taking place. And I explained when I did my review, my follow-up review to the Dome Glass, that this is due to the fact that I'm constantly putting on cases and doing this thing, and constantly shifting and putting pressure. So it really isn't due to the defect of the glass protector itself, but it's the unique fact that I go through 50 to 100 cases, putting them on and off as I'm doing my testing. So ignore that for a second. Let me show you where the impact is. So you notice right here, and we'll try to make sure that stays in focus, that's the impact point. So my phone came out, tumbled like this, and it hit right there. And you'll notice the glass is chipped. Again, let's make sure we can keep that in focus right there. You notice right there, that's the impact. If I did not have a screen protector, guaranteed there would be a spider crack because of how it impacted that corner. That's the sweet spot. Let's take off the screen protector and see if there's any damage. So in this video, all I'm going to do is show you the removal, and then we're going to inspect the screen to make sure there aren't any spider cracks on the upper right hand corner here. I did do a video on full installation, which I will link in a card that you should see up here in a couple seconds, so that you can see the installation process. I also did a video on removing the glass screen protector. So this is the same tempered glass from Whitestone that I installed in my original video, so it's never been changed. So let's go ahead and remove it. So I'm going to do is just peel in the corners, and you'll notice that there it started coming off. Because I always get the questions: are this screen protector, will it damage the phone once you remove it? So I've already proven that it doesn't, but we're going to go ahead and remove it and see what the impact is to the actual screen. And I'll go ahead and replace it just in a second. So we're going to go ahead and peel. So this is my Dome Glass Screen Protector. And now, if you take a look at it, no residual grime or anything on the screen. This is just, me touching it. So I'll just wipe it off in a couple seconds. So the key question is, did I get any hairline fractures? Let's get close. All right, so that we can see, I went to a white background, so this is my Chrome browser, so we can take a closer look. So we'll go ahead and put this in an angle, no screen protector on now, and we're going to inspect that corner. Let's get close, and we'll see how that looks. We'll keep that in focus. I'm also recording this in 4K so that we can inspect it and make sure that there isn't anything. Notice no damage, no impact whatsoever to the Note. So I had a couple things that are going there. First thing, I had a good case on, and then I also had that tempered glass protector. And for those of you who know me and have followed the channel, I know so many people that don't have glass screen protectors that walk around with shattered phones. So while this definitely took the hit, and we can take a look at this, let's get a little closer look, and we'll try to put this in focus. Let's see if we can get that in focus right there. You'll notice that the actual impact is substantial. So the glass took a hit. Fortunately, it didn't shatter either. So I was really surprised on that right there. We'll see if we can get that in focus. Okay, there it is in focus. You can see that right there. So, I am a strong advocate of the dome glass product because of how durable it is, no dust under the screen, and then also the fact that there was no impact to my product. It would have cost me a lot. There it is. So you can see that. That's the impact. So you can imagine that would mean a shattered phone. All right, so I just finished the installation of the replacement screen protector, and I just want to show you the installation, how that looks. Like I said, I included a link that you'll be able to see how the process works. But once again, fantastic product. I know that based on that drop, I would have most likely had to get my Note 8 replaced or the screen repaired because of the drop, and really happy with the fact that this protected my phone from damage. And you can see once again here that damage that we saw on the corner. So if you have any questions, once again, can they be removed? You saw how they come off. Do they damage the screen? The answer is no. Is there residue left on the screen? None whatsoever, but I still wipe it down with alcohol before I install the new one. And as you can see, it did protect my screen from any kind of damage. So hope this helps you with your decisions. It's worth the investment. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks to Whitestone for creating such a great product, and thank you for watching.